Hey collaborators, Logan here with this week's episode on how to run and read a Google Lighthouse audit. Now today I'm going to explain what Google Lighthouse is, why it's important to your website and marketing initiatives, and how to decipher all this data. Also, I just got a new camera and microphone, so I hope I look and sound better to you today. Let me know in the comments below. All right, let's get started. What is Google Lighthouse? It's an open source tool that analyzes a single page of a website's performance. So Cohlab.com, it looks at that, but it'll give you advice that can apply to your entire website. Now, when you go through, you're going to see that you can choose to simulate a weak 4G data connection from a mobile device when you're analyzing your page. That's what we do. It gives you basically the worst case scenario for how your page is going to look. It gives you performance tips on a scale of 100, and a score above 90 gets you in the top 5% of functioning websites. Now, why is Google Lighthouse important? It's approachable. It can be done straight from Chrome browser. It's actionable, gives you very specific advice, and it's authoritative. It's built by Google devs who have deep insight into browsers like Google Chrome. Let's run an audit on Google on the Cohlab right now. So open a Chrome browser. On the right-hand side in the menu, click New Incognito Window. Browse to your website, Cohlab.com for us. And then in the top right, go to the menu, hover over More Tools, click Developer Tools, and then choose Audits in the top right. You're going to choose Mobile, I recommend, but you can do Desktop too to get a different perspective. Select all the audits, simulated slow 4G for us, clear storage, run audits. So this is going to take a minute or two. It's going to run through your whole page, reload it multiple times. What you're going to see here is going to be a row of results across the top, and each one is clickable, bringing you down to a section explaining those results in further detail. So the first thing we're going to see come up here is performance. We're going to see a performance score showing, and I think we can actually click it. It just jumps down. So first contentful paint, first meaningful paint are things that say, how long did it take till enough of the page was loaded that someone can recognize, what's going on. Time to interactive is how long did it take so that somebody can click buttons or click in the menu or fill out a form. When was the site interactive? Further down in the accessibility. So accessibility is all about making sure that everybody can use your website. Are the colors contrasting enough for people who maybe are colorblind or have a hard time seeing? Are your images, do they have alt text so that a screen reader can read that to the person who cannot see the image or has a hard time seeing that image? Do your links have names so that way people know where they're going when they click a link rather than it just saying click here? It should be described. Best practices is below that. Do we have things set up properly in iframes? Do we have JavaScript libraries updated? Do we have HTTPS set up? Things like that. Search engine optimization, SEO. We have to have buttons properly sized. Do we have headers in place? Are things described properly? Is it mobile friendly? And progressive web app is kind of similar, overlapping with HTTPS, mobile friendly tests, things like that. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Next week, we're going to cover what actions you can take based on this data. So please like and share this video with your friends if you learned something. If you didn't learn anything, ask us a follow-up question below and we'll answer as soon as we can. And be sure to like and subscribe to get the latest Marketing Monday every week. Thank you.